Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're catching up with Ezekiel Elliott, the dynamic running back who once stormed defenses and reshaped the position. With his career in flux, many are asking, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Ezekiel Elliott exploded onto the NFL scene after being drafted 4th overall by the Dallas Cowboys in 2016. From the start, he flashed elite speed, vision, and power, earning multiple Pro Bowl nods and rushing titles. He was the engine of the Cowboys' offense for several seasons, one of the best backs of his generation. As his career progressed, Elliott faced the natural decline that comes with the running back position. After a stellar early run, his numbers started to drop. The Cowboys released him at the end of the 2024 season, reportedly at his request, so he could pursue an opportunity with a playoff contending team. In January 2025, he signed with the Los Angeles Chargers practice squad, giving him a chance to stay in the game. But as of mid-2025, the market for him remains uncertain, with retirement being a growing possibility. Where is Ezekiel Elliott now? As of now, Ezekiel Elliott is not currently on an active NFL roster. He remains a free agent after his tenure with the Chargers practice squad ended. With no confirmed offer in hand and rumors swirling about retirement, he's at a crossroads. Does he keep pushing for one more run, or begin the next chapter of his life beyond professional football? Ezekiel Elliott's journey is one of extraordinary highs and the tough reality of athletic lifespan. From a dominant force in the league to facing the unknown as a veteran free agent, his story isn't over, it's simply turned a new page. Whether he returns to the field or steps away, time will tell. But for now, he's reevaluating his legacy and his next move.